we leave for Shabbos.
Yes, go ahead.
So, what happened to the souls of the 80% of Am Israel that died in the plague of darkness? Because I assume that since they didn't receive the Torah in Mount Sinai, those souls cannot be considered Jews. So do they like reincarnate in non-Jewish people that have to convert subsequently, or what happened to these souls?
That's a very, very good question. I don't know. I never saw this question being discussed, but it does not mean anything. But the way I understand that's my personal answer from logic. I don't think they're going to be reincarnated. The souls of non-Jews that would be reincarnated, the one who wanted to accept the Torah in the time when HaShem was going, as we said, from nation to nation, but the government refused. Of course, nobody asks simple people, right? It's who decides. King decides and his ministers. So they say absolutely not. We want to live lead our lifestyle, right? And we don't need Torah. We Torah too many restrictions, right? So, but other people, like in this nation, they want to convert. And HaShem promised these individuals that the time is going to come when I give you the opportunity to you, and this strong urge to come close and convert to Judaism. Like out of all of the people, like so all of the people anti-Semites, and somebody have this strong urge to convert. From where? So most likely it was one of these people who deserved to have this chance. But if people they reject this chance, these people, especially as we said, the Torah, when the Jewish nation started, according to its main opinion, it's not from Abraham. It was from Moshe. I mean, from receiving of the Torah. So Judaism is not considered based on your lineage, right? In some sense, it's on your observance of the Torah. So somebody who is not observant of the Torah, he's not part of Amisecha. He's not part of your nation. So it's like idolatry, the worst kind. So that's the Torah that keeps us together, that makes a person Jewish. Of course, that person, if he does tshuva, he becomes Jewish again. But until then, he's not. He's not, right? So it's not a DNA people. Right? I mean, there's many people like I don't know why they write me all of this. They say I'm Jewish. Okay, you say, but do you have any proofs? My DNA. So I mean, it's sometimes there's nice and sweetest people in the world, but I said the DNA could come from the father, but say no, it's only from the mother. So I'm not sure how. But, so it's third generation. They came from this country, from that country. I don't know. So it's if people did not keep Torah, so how can we prove it? There is no documentations. So how can we rely on their feelings, right? And people get very upset, like trying to be very, very, very sensitive with people. So they get very upset, and we're going to release this video. I'm not sure on what day they scheduled. Due for 24%. So I have this clip, Jew, 24%. There is a halakhic status of such a Jew. Okay. I'm going to tell you what I said. Just watch our channel.